Hello, I'm John Butler, Director of Hypnotherapy Training International. I'm teaching courses in Germany next year in Transforming Therapy. Transforming Therapy is an advanced form of hypnotherapy. It's the most influential form of hypnotherapy that's developed during the last half century. It deals with the human mind in a very deep and comprehensive way, getting to the roots of emotional issues and programming the mind in the most effective way and helping us to deprogram ourselves of negative limiting beliefs. Hypnotherapy has been developed over 150 years, and seminal workers in the field like Dave Ellman, Milton Erickson and Gil Boyne are commonly thought of as the three most influential people in the practicing clinical field of hypnotherapy. Gil Boyne started out in the early 1950s as a therapist and then developed transforming therapy in the 60s and 70s. Based on his work and studies with some of the most important people in psychology, psychotherapy, psychiatry, integrated their ideas, which had all developed from hypnotherapy originally, from the work of Mesmer, from which Freud developed his ideas. And so transforming therapy draws on the roots of classical hypnosis, various branches of psychology, psychiatry and psychotherapy, and offers a very advanced form of clinical hypnotherapy. Rapid dynamic hypnotherapy that transforms the individual and has transformed the practice of hypnotherapy for about the last 60 to 70 years. I'm looking forward to teaching this course, and I'm looking forward to you joining us at our courses in Germany and also here in London. Thank you very much for listening and watching.